హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? సో ఇట్స్ బీన్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ వీ హ్యావ్ జాయిన్డ్ లైవ్. సో ఇవాళ లైవ్ సెషన్ వచ్చేసి కలంకారీ కాటన్ శారీస్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ కోమ్డియాన్. మా దగ్గర నార్మల్ కలంకారీ శారీస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి దట్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ హ్యూజ్ బెస్ట్ సెల్లింగ్ మెటీరియల్ అంతా. ఒకసారి ఇవ్వు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ మేడ్ ఆఫ్ కోమ్డ్ యాన్. సో మీరు నార్మల్ కలంకారీ శారీస్ చూస్తే జస్ట్ కాటన్ శారీస్, ఐ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఫీల్ హెవీ. కొంచెం కాటన్ శారీస్ కట్టుకోవడానికి వీ ఫీల్ హెవీ కదా. సో దీస్ కాటన్ శారీస్ మీరు చూస్తే చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. సో వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్ అండ్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్. దిస్ శారీ వెయిట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ 300 grams, దట్స్ ఆల్. సో కాటన్ శారీస్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ హూ వాంటెడ్ టు బై ఇన్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ మెటీరియల్, సో దిస్ షో ఇస్ ఫర్ దెమ్. సో పీపుల్ కొంచెం నార్మల్ తక్కువ రేంజ్ కూడా కొనుక్కుంటారు. సో this one you should definitely try. So మీరు చూస్తున్నారు, if I fold this will become very small, very soft cotton and very lightweight cotton. So we'll start seeing the sarees. ఇది నేను ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను, నెక్స్ట్ చూడు. సో ఇవి ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ కూడా కాదు, ఇట్స్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ ఈజీ టు క్యారీ కాటన్ శారీస్. ముందు కాటన్ శారీస్ కన్నా దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్. చాలా సూదింగ్గా ఉంటుంది కూడా వేసుకున్నప్పుడు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ శారీ. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇక్కత్ ప్రింట్ వస్తుంది, ఇలా ప్లస్ సింబల్ అండ్ ఇక్కత్ ప్రింట్ ఆన్ ద బార్డర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద క్రీమ్ అండ్ ద బ్లూ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సో ఇన్ ద బ్లూ కాంబినేషన్, హాఫ్ వైట్ with the blue color combination saree. So if you see, the design looks very pretty and very soothing design. Blouse also comes in the same ikat pattern in the cream and the black color. So this is the print. So this is the saree. So saree full design vachesi ila vastundi pattu. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the peacock pallu. So this is the pallu vachesi you will get it in the blue color design. All these are combed yarn sarees. So cotton, quality of the cotton and all, very finest quality of the cotton we had till now. So the price of this sarees is 950. So very lightweight, as already told, these are 300 grams cotton anamata. So whole saree with blouse, it is 6.2 meters with blouse. So the weight of the saree will be like 300 grams. The price of the saree is 950. Okay, regular cottons we are having for 750. So this is for 950. So yeah, this is how it looks. Blue, half white and blue color ikat design kalamkari cotton sarees of combed yarn. Okay, this is saree number 1. The price is 950, and whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me. Okay, త్వరగా. So say in the same ikat print design. So this is another color combination. On the off-white background, you will be having it in the blue, white and green color plus symbol. So this is also very beautiful, and you can see the cotton how wavy it is. It is not transparent also, but it is very smooth and very lightweight on the when you wear it. So I myself feel very comfortable. Who all are my regular customers and who are buying, I suggest you to buy this one saree and try for the cotton sarees. I have many customers who love cotton sarees. So cotton sarees, if you want to wear and you have a good collection of cotton sarees, so we have this. So this is the pallu for this. So this is how it looks. Blouse is also in the same color, same running blouse you will be getting for this. So the price of this is also 950 in the off-white, green and red color background. So this is how it looks. The price is 950. Next is in the yellow floral design. So this doesn't need starch also. Ante general ga manam cotton sarees we need to put starch, otherwise it will be falling and itla chala crushed ga ayipotayi. So these are not like that. So very lightweight kabatti, it is made of combed yarn. You really don't need starching and maintenance for this cotton sarees. So they looks like the same elegant after the wash also. So this is the yellow floral design with the rosebud design. Okay, this is blouse. Blouse you will be getting it in the contrast color, in the white and the blue color combination. It's a very beautiful yellow with the white and blue color combination blouse. So this is how it looks, yellow rosebud design. Okay, this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting it uh, 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 peacock pallu kaakunda little different design of pallu you'll be getting, the floral design lines of the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 950. Okay, next in the same design we have it in the on off-white background, we have it in the rosebuds design. So if you see, the cotton is very smooth and lightweight, so it doesn't get crushed and doesn't need starch also. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu. The pallu is very beautiful. Regular peacock design kaakunda you'll be getting the pallu in this design. Okay, this is in the off-white background in the rosebud design. Very beautiful design with the small border. Pallu also, blouse you will be getting it in the white color, off-white design in the rosebuds. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 950. Off-white with the rosebuds design. Pallu is in the blue color. Next is a very beautiful blue color floral saree. Full floral design it will be having all over the saree. On the blue color background you will be having white, green and pink color flowers. So this is the design of all over the saree you will be getting. This is the border. So okay, this is how it looks. Blouse you will be getting it in the contrast cream color floral. Blouse is also very beautiful for this. This is the blouse. Okay, the price of this is also 950. This is the pallu. Pallu is again a different design. So this is the pallu you will be getting. Okay, next saree. So the next is in the whole, this is the pallu for this. Full open feather peacock you will be getting it in the pallu. This is the black floral with the yellow, black and yellow combination floral design. So this is the blouse you will be getting, cream color contrast blouse for this. This black is particularly, it's very beautiful for the design and the contrast blouse. So yeah, this is how it looks. Black color floral, black and yellow floral with the cream color contrast blouse. And this is the pallu as already shown. This is a very beautiful piece in the black color. So yeah, who loves black color, if you want to book you can book this. So this is the black floral design. The price is 950. So this is in the yellow background you will be getting the floral design. So this is the design you will be getting, and this is the pallu with the open peacock. This design is also very beautiful, same like that of the black saree. In the yellow background you will be getting. So when you open and wear it, it will look very beautiful. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the contrast color. So this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is also 950. Pallu I have shown you already. So all these are, again I am repeating, these are all kalamkari cotton sarees of combed yarn. So lightweight cotton sarees. So regular cotton sarees, those weigh around 550 to 600 grams. So this is half of the weight of those sarees. So it is just 300 grams and it feels very light when you wear it, and the maintenance is also very low. So this is yellow floral saree. The price is 950. Block print, right? So this is a mango design. So this is a new design we got. On the body you will be getting the red mango design, and in the border you will be getting the yellow floral. So this is how beautiful it is. So this is the pallu. Blouse. Sorry. So this is the blouse. Blouse is in the cream color background. You will be getting the black floral, and this is the saree. The saree, the body of the saree is really very beautiful with the mud, and the cotton is also very, very smooth. So yeah, this is how it is. Red color mango saree with the two sides yellow border, and this is the pallu. Pallu is in the again peacock design. This is the pallu you are having. So in this we have another color, black color mango also. The price is 950. So in this again the black color you will have the mango design with the maroon color border. So this is also a very beautiful design. Yeah, this is the blouse you will be getting. The price of this is also 950. Okay, if anybody is dropping messages, I'm just not seeing your messages. You can just post me any query down so that I'll read and I'll get back to you. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. So the black mango design with the maroon color border, it looks very beautiful. See how beautiful it is. This particular design is also very good. So this is the pallu you'll be having with the peacocks. Okay. Yeah. Next. So the next is in the cream color background. You'll be having the big florals. So before we have seen some floral sarees. So that is a very near design. The florals are more floral. So this floral is with the big stems and the big flowers. So yeah. That is one design in floral. This is another design. This is the blouse for this. Big flower ostundi itla. Big design in the floral as well. So this looks very catchy also. So some people alanti floral design istapadtaru. So which is very near and all. So idu vachesi koncham big stems vachesi itla untundi floral design. So this is how it looks. And this is the pallu. Pallu is again in the peacock design. Okay. In the same big floral and stems design lo anta, we have maroon color. This color people loved a lot. On the maroon background you will be getting yellow color flowers, cream color and the green stems. So chala beautiful ga untundi. So you will be getting a contrast blouse for this in the yellow color floral in the cream color background. So this is how it looks. This is brown color. So brown color koncham rare untundandi, tondaraga raadu brown color. So this is one among them. Brown color background lo koncham takkuva kalamkari sarees, only mostly black, cream and blue color lo vastayi. So this is one different piece in that. So this is how it looks. Brown color kalamkari floral saree, and this is the pallu. Pallu you'll be having it in the peacock design. The price of all these sarees is 950. So you can have a closer view of the design of the brown kalamkari. So this is how it is. So these are all block print. These are hand print kalamkari sarees. So in the same combed yarn, we'll be seeing block print kalamkari sarees. So this kind of print or block print. So before floral, zikkat design, atlanta vachevi, they are hand print. These are block print kalamkari sarees. These are also authentic kalamkari sarees. So it cotton saree. This is a cotton saree. It feels like silk, but it is a cotton saree. Texture doesn't feel like silk, but when you wear it, you feel like silk. The comfort of the fabric is equal to a silk, but when you don't feel it as a silk or flowy saree. It is a cotton saree and it is not transparent also. You can see it's not transparent. So the design you have seen. So this is the design. Blouse you will be getting it in the little contrast color on the cream color background. You will be getting the blouse. So yeah, this is how it is. The price of these sarees are also 950. Okay. This is also on the background of maroon color. You will be getting all these kind of sarees. So these are original block print kalamkari sarees. You can Google also. So in our place only these are made. You can Google block print kalamkari sarees. You will definitely get the link. So this is how it is. For these we will get the pallu in a different way because block print is completely a different pattern. So you will be getting like this. This is the pallu and blouse you have already seen. The price of this also 950. So this is in the black and white color combination, and trust me, the cloth is really very smooth. When I open the cloth and put it and just touch it, I can just feel it. Not everyone, but ఎవరైతే కాటన్ sarees ఇష్టమో, they wanted to buy to have that feel, or who loves kalamkari sarees, I'm just recommending you these sarees, a new combed yarn. Just that we have improved the quality of the cotton sarees that we are making. Cotton sarees just that to మీకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉండేదానికి, కొంచెం బరువుగా అనిపిస్తుంది, అట్లా అనిపించకుండా ఉండేదానికి. So this is a design for this. So this is a design for the cotton sarees. ఎవరైతే నా దగ్గర కాటన్ sarees ఆల్రెడీ కొనుక్కున్నారో, if you buy this, you'll definitely find a difference. You yourself can feel the difference of the sarees. So this is the blouse, and this is saree, very beautiful black and cream color block print sarees. So this is how it looks. Yeah, black and cream block print sarees. Okay. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting for this saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 950. So this is a mango plus floral design saree. This is in the maroon color background. So this is very lightweight also, if you can feel the texture in the video. So this is a little different design. The first one is also maroon based color. So this is how it looks. Blouse picture. The blouse is in the cream color background. This is the blouse you will be getting. For all the block print sarees, this small border you will be getting like this for all over the saree. So that is how we differentiate between a normal saree and this block print sarees. Okay, this is how it looks. The design I think you can make it out. So that is a little near design. So this is in the mango and the floral design. When you wear the sarees, it will be very good. If you want a reference image for this kind of sarees, do please message me. I have a reference image of a person wearing it. Sorry. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting with the mango design all over. Okay. This is how it looks. The price is 950. So this is again a different mild shade in this block print. People like this shade and black and white more to make it very straightforward, I'm telling you. So this is in the mint green, light maroon color and light pink color combination you will be getting. It will be the same as you are looking here. Oh, mana messages చూడట్లేదా? Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, sorry, I didn't see your messages. I'm stuck at the beginning only. Okay, I'll just read the messages. I have 3 more sarees left. So yeah, the price of the saree, this is also 950 rupees. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. So this is the blouse design you'll be getting. It will be the same design of that of the saree, but you'll be getting it in the cream color background without any color fillings. So I'm just Visarada, you're asking for the blouse picture, right? So most of the sarees that you are seeing, whatever is there on the body of the saree, the design, same design, it will be there on the blouse in the contrast color without the color fillings, so that you can make it as a default thing. So this is how it looks. Mango and the floral design in the brown and the mint green color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. And this is the pallu you'll be having, the mango design in the lines. Okay, 5 rupees. Thank you, Syamala. So this is in the cream color background. with the black and the mustard yellow color design. So before we have seen the light maroon color with the mint green color flowers and the baby pink color combination. This is completely on the cream color background with the yellow color mango design. So this is the design you will be getting. This is also a very beautiful design. So other than showing, when I put it on myself, it looks more good. So this is the blouse piece. So the blouse piece is again the same in the cream color combination. Without the color fillings, you will be getting it in the same design. And for the blouse, you will be having the small border also here. So you can just make the border here. If you put elbow sleeves, the border will come here or anything. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. For this saree, as it is a black background one, black color more dominating in this, so you will be having a black color small border all over the saree. So this is in the black, cream and the yellow color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of the saree is 950. You can have a proper look, right? So this is how it looks. Very smooth and lightweight cotton sarees. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. This looks like this. This is how it looks. Pallu comes here. It looks very beautiful also. So okay, we have 3 more sarees left for today. Okay, so this is completely in the red color background. This is a new one. In the block print, we have cream color background, black color background and maroon color background, light maroon color. So this is in the dark maroon color with the mint green and blue color flowers. So this is how it looks. This is a new one in block print. Blouse, let's see. So as I told already, it will be the contrast blouse with the same color design coming here without the color filling. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is a new piece. New piece in the sense this is a new color combination or the new design dyed in this pattern. So this is how it looks. The price of this is, the price of all these sarees is 950. All these are pure cotton lightweight sarees. So the weight of the saree just weighs 300 to 350 grams. So it is half of the amount of the cotton sarees that we are selling now. So these are made of combed yarn. Ask me why it is costly. So it is for the cloth that we are using. So we have used a premium cloth, cotton quality cloth which is combed yarn. You can just google it, what does a combed yarn means. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the border of the saree. So this looks very beautiful with this border of the saree here on the both the sides with the blue color. So this is the pallu. Pallu, you will be getting it in the leaves in this two lines of black color background. So this is how it looks. The price is 950. So this is the pallu. In the same floral pattern, we have it in the brown color background with the mint color and the baby pink flowers. Okay, this is how it looks. So when you wear it, it looks very good, really. Okay, the brown color border that comes all over the saree. So this is the blouse. For the blouse also you will be getting it, so that really adds a beauty when you put it for the hands. So this is the blouse pattern. Hope it's clear. So this is the saree floral design. Okay, and this is the pallu for the saree. This is how it looks. The price is again 950. So it's a very smooth and flowy cotton. Flowy silk you would have seen, flowy cotton you wouldn't have seen. So yeah, so this is how it looks. This is the pallu. This is the pallu for the saree. In the same color combination you will be getting the pallu. It looks like this. Last time. So we have a good designs and good color combination we have made in this combed yarn. So if you personally like, or your relatives, your mom, anybody who loves cotton saree, most of the people who loves handlooms definitely love cotton sarees, that too kalamkari cotton sarees. If you're really a cotton saree lover and a kalamkari handloom lover, do try one saree. So you just give me the feedback after using this combed yarn sarees. So you'll feel extremely comfortable, and I feel it completely worth putting the 200 bucks extra for this, other than that of the normal cotton saree. And so yeah, this is the last one in the black background we haven't seen in the block print. So this is the one in the block print. This is a very beautiful saree than the last one too. So this is in the black background with the baby pink flowers and the mint green leaves all over the saree. You can see this is a very new pattern and new design as well. So you will get it in the same cream color background blouse, which contrasts the body of the saree. So this is how it looks. So in the same pink flower and the mint green leaf. So this is how it looks. See how beautiful it looks. So when you drape it, it looks more beautiful. Yes, this is how it looks on the black background. Baby pink and the mint green leaves block print you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the last saree of this video. This is the pallu. Pallu is also in the same color combination. You'll be getting the pallu. This is how it looks. Okay. Okay, so I'll just check the messages for 3 minutes and we can close this live session. So just yes, I'm meeting you people all after a long time. Hope everybody is safe at home with your family and friends. So I'm planning live sessions in alternate days or 2 days once. So you can just stay tuned for collection. Some of the discount sales are also coming up. You can post your queries down if you have any queries. I'll be there for 3 minutes to answer, or you are looking for any new collections or so. So to tell about the saree, so this is the last one. So these are all combed yarn cotton sarees. The price of each saree is 950. So these are lightweight sarees. When I say lightweight, I'm just repeating like who didn't see it from the starting. So this weighs only 300 to 350 grams. So we have labeled it as combed yarn saree. It is an ulta. You can see it properly. So these are very lightweight. You can see it doesn't shrink also, and it doesn't need maintenance also. This is a very lightweight and smooth cotton sarees. Okay, so any questions you wanted to ask anyone? Okay, I'll see the before messages.
Please,
Okay. How about I'll come up again with another kalamkari normal cotton sarees and silk sarees as well in the coming days or coming weeks. So in this, if you have any questions, please do post me. Ready, happy to answer. Pics, I can't take pics of all the sarees now. So to give it a better view and better feel, we have done this video. So you can, I'll just share this video on IGTV. You can just go and check out the IGTV and see for your favorite saree, and you can take a screenshot, and you can message me, whoever wants to book. How can I show all the sarees together at the end? So there is a lump of sarees, so it's not possible to show. So who have missed this video, please do watch the IGTV. You'll have a better quality video where you can see the design very clearly. It doesn't require stars, so that is what I've been telling you from the starting itself. So this actually cotton sarees do need starch, and we also put starch in the making of the kalamkari sarees process. We do put starch in one stage of making of the saree. So this particular saree, so this doesn't require starch, and this is very smooth and it really settles on the skin. It's very body hugging. All these sarees are very body hugging and you feel very comfortable in this. So who loves cotton sarees, I just recommend you to buy one saree and see in this. Anything else you wanted to ask or you wanted to see? Anything? Hope, yeah, we have hit 11:30 in the clock, and I'm very happy to see you all guys and meet you all after a long time. Please stay safe at home, and thank you so much for watching. No, yeah, thank you so much for joining the live, and hope we do more good live sessions in the coming weeks. Do message me your review, feedback, or ideas or anything that what I can come up with. So yes, thank you so much. And so this is the ruffle gown that I am wearing it from my recent collections, Ikat ruffle gown collection. So yeah, this is the one. I have already posted pictures and video also. This is also very comfortable and very style chic it is. So who didn't try and wanted to try, they can just message me. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Stay safe and stay home, and please do watch the IGTV video in the profile. Thank you. Into